What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. Today we're going to be reviewing the iCODIS X3 document scanner. Before we continue, I just want to mention that the giveaway is still going on, but not for long. We're giving away a Google Home Mini. It's a first gen. I'm going to leave a link in the description below, so if you haven't already, go check it out, enter the giveaway. There will also be another giveaway where we're going to be giving away a HFWS solar camera. I will also leave a link of that in the description below. Let's get started. So here's what you get when you pay $180 for this scanner. You get the actual scanning device, of course. You get the black rubber mat, which supports formats up to A3, which is huge. Also included is of course, instruction manuals and a CamShop DVD, which is the name of the program that the scanner supports, so you can do all your editing as well as generating PDF files for the items that you have scanned. The scanner features OCR technology, which improves recognition accuracy. It also features scanning coverage up to an A3 format, and it has automatic continuous scanning, which means that you can scan an entire page in 1.5 seconds. This is optimal for a commercial business environment where you need to scan hundreds, maybe thousands of pages in little to no time. This would be a very good scanner for you. The scanner also features an 8 megapixel high performance scanner camera. It also features 4 low consumption LED lights, so if you're scanning in a dark room, those lights can be activated so it can help adjust the brightness of the document you're scanning, which can be very helpful. One thing you need to be aware of when you're using the CamShop software, which is the software that comes with the scanner, is that it doesn't work on Apple MacBooks or Mac OS. It only works on Windows computers and PCs. When it comes to using the CamShop software, I found it very easy to use. It was pretty easy to navigate as well. Everything is very self-explanatory. When it comes to cropping, it also recognizes the font and writing on the items that you are scanning. And then you can take the items you scan and then put them into a PDF or even an Excel sheet and go from there. It also has the ability to scan barcodes and QR codes, which is, again, ideal for businesses. Overall, I think this is an excellent scanner. While it is expensive, you are paying for a quality product, a quality scanner that's going to work for a long time, a long period of time with great features. The biggest downfall to this scanner, and I think something they need to improve on, is the fact that it's only compatible with Windows. I think most people nowadays are using Apple more than ever, whether it's MacBooks, iPhones, they're using Apple. So the fact that they're not incorporating a software that's compatible with Macs and with Apple software, I think it's a huge downfall, and it's something they should improve on, especially with a $180 price point. So overall, it is a great product. Again, just the big downfall is that it's not compatible with Apple products. That is our video. Thank you so much for watching. We do appreciate your support. If you did enjoy the video, subscribe to this channel so you can get notified of new videos. And don't forget to enter our giveaways, both of them. Also, let us know how we did in the comments section below. If you have any questions, put them also down there. We always answer our comments and respond to them. Thank you guys. Take care.